Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. Today I wanted to share a quick couple of designs that I did with Pandora for St. Patrick's Day and March in general with spring coming up. And so I did two designs. The first one is right here, and these are both mini designs. And this first one here is just on the multi-strand moments bracelet. Pandora did this a few years ago and I really love this. This is retired now, but I really do love this, and I wish they had done more clasps in this style. But anyways, I do love the one that I have, and this one is a mix of gold and green, which I think looks really pretty together. So let's look at each charm on this one. This bracelet does not have clip stations, so I have started with this green solitaire clip. This has silicone lining inside, so it stays where you put it, and it's perfect for bracelets that do not have clip stations. So I've started with that. Next, I have this golden mini Murano. This one is newer Murano. It's still available on the Pandora website, and this one has 24 karat gold foiling inside, which I love that. This piece here, this dangle, this one is retired, and this is called the two-tone double heart dangle. So the bail on this is just silver with a row of CZs, clear CZs, and then you do have these double hearts, and the bottom heart is silver and the top heart is I believe it is 14 karat gold. And yes, it is 14 karat gold, it's not 18. I was trying to remember. So 14 karat gold, and then the back you'll see that they're both silver, and they do have engraving on here that says forever always. And so the back, as I said, is silver, so the gold is only on the front of the heart. I wish it was on both sides, but I'm not complaining because it's just, it's hard to find pieces with actual gold that Pandora did. This one is a recent one. It came out a few years ago, but they don't do very many of these anymore. I don't think they have any in their collection right now that are actual 14 karat gold. They're all gold plated. So yeah, there's that one. Then I have the spacer here. This is called the Cascading Glamour Spacer. Next to that, another current piece in the Pandora catalog, and this is the green opalescent charm. I love how much this shines. So it has shades of blue and green in there, and it's just absolutely stunning. Then I have very old pieces on here. I have two of the Trinity spacers. These are 14 karat gold, and I love these. I love how tiny they are, but pack such an impact on a design. And then in the center, between the Trinity spacers, I have my newest Pandora charm that I have in my collection. And this is the Club Charm for 2025. And I think it's simply called the Clover Club Charm. So this one is a dangle, plain silver bail on here, and then you do have these 4-leaf clovers. The bigger clover at the back has this enamel on it that's green and blue, and then you do have this tiny little 4-leaf clover in the center that moves, and it is 14 karat gold plated with a lab made diamond in the center. And then the back of this also has some engraving, and it says good things are coming, and with some beaded detail on the edges of the clover. And then I have another green opalescent charm on here, another Cascading Glamour Spacer, and then this little charm here. This is a dangle. This one is really old. I bought this, I don't remember if I bought this pre-loved or I bought this off of Rulala. I don't remember, because when I started collecting, this one was already retired. This one is called Forest Trinity, and so it is a pendant style charm. So you'll see that the bail is just a plain silver thin pendant style bail, and then you have these three components to this pendant. There is a leaf here, and it's beautiful with the cutouts and everything. And then you have this cute little bird. It's in mid-flight, so you see the wings kind of open and looks like almost flapping. You see the details on the bird's face with the eyes and the beak. And then the third component of this dangle is this little oval, and this is an actual peridot. So this is when Pandora used to use actual gemstones in their charms, and so this makes it really, really special. The back of this does have the Pandora logo on it, and you can see it's the older logo with the kind of longer O with the crown on top. Now it's more rounded, and so that's Forest Trinity. Then I have another one of the golden Muranos with the 24 karat gold foiling inside, and then another of the green solitaire clips. So that is by design. A few different shades of green in here with some gold and silver, and I think it looks really, really pretty. And this is what the design looks like on my wrist, and yeah, I really love the colors that I have going on here. So I can wear it on its own, I could stack it with some other bangles or bracelets that I have. A bracelet that's been in my collection for a long time. This is one of my permanent designs, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. It's mostly my green bracelet. I wear it a lot in spring. I do wear it in winter and other seasons too, but come spring, this one is just beautiful. I have a very old video where I share this bracelet in more detail, and I'll try and you know, put the link to that in the description box if you want to watch that. But this one, I haven't changed this in so long, and it has a lot of oldies on here, a lot of my absolute favorite charms, and yeah, I love this bracelet, and I think it will work really well stacked with this one as well, with all the greens, and this will add a little bit of white to this stack as well. So yeah, I love this one. It's just so beautiful. Some of these are kind of not as old, they're slightly newer. I think Pandora still has these daisy spacers in their collection, and I just need to, you know, order another pair of these because I really love them. And so yeah, look at this one is newer. The bunny, I think it's still retired now, but yeah, comparatively still newer. This one too, this one is really old. This one, fun fact, was my very first Pandora charm that my mom and my sister gave me because I love pearls, and so this one has pearls on it, and so I really love that one. These clips are old. I bought them off of Rulala right when I started collecting, I believe. These again are very old, beautiful Muranos. I wish Pandora would do Muranos like this again, you know, the bigger size with a lot of detailing, florals and, you know, CZs in there. It's just beautiful. Love this one too. This was a gift from my husband. And so yeah, lots of beautiful charms on here. So there's that bracelet, and I have one more mini design to share with all of you, and it is this one. As I said, it's really simple. This is on the heart clasp bracelet, and I have the design in the middle part of this bracelet. And so the clips I have on here are the flower pattern clips. I recently used these with the design I did with the club clover charm, because these flowers, because of the 4 petals, just reminds me of 4-leaf clovers, and so I used that with that. And again, since I have a clover here, I just thought these clips would be perfect. And then I have 2 of these green mini Muranos. I love these Muranos. Look at the different shades of green that you have going on inside these Muranos. I really like that it's not a flat color. There's some dimension to these Muranos. So that is that one. And in the center, I have the splittable 4-leaf clover charm. And so I've just used it together. So what that means is that you see the outline here. So the silver clover can become separate from that CZ clover in the center. So you could use it as 2 different charms. You could give one piece to your loved one, keep one for yourself, or, you know, something like that. But I just love using it together. The inside charm has these CZs in there. There's some clear CZs, some light blue ones, some green ones. Here is a closer look at the colors of the CZs. It's a beautiful charm. And then the sides of this charm have these clover cutouts on it. And then at the back of the inside charm, it says, "True friends are a rare gift." So it's a beautiful charm. It came out last year or the year before that. I don't remember, but it's beautiful. I really love that. And so yeah, mini design again can be stacked with either of the bracelets that I showed you today, the big one or the small one. The greens are a little different, but I don't mind that. I love using different shades of the same color on the same stack. It just gives it so much more, I don't know, interest to this stack, I feel. So yeah, these are the couple of designs that I wanted to share with you today. Actually, let me show this to you on my wrist as well and see how this one looks. So this is how this looks on my wrist. Again, I would probably stack this one for sure. That one I probably might wear it on its own, but this one I would definitely stack. Maybe, you know, I love green and gold, so maybe I could do like some gold bracelets, like me bracelets that I have, or a bangle that I have, and some other things. I don't know. I love stacking my bracelets, especially when they have mini designs on them. It just, I love the jingle too when, you know, those bracelets are moving throughout the day. So these were just a few designs that I wanted to share with all of you. Let me know which one was your favorite. I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.